Slummy's all done, just a few points for the sewer and we're done, mate. Power's in, water's in, the tap's in, just got to connect the hose of the tap here somewhere. It's like 15 points here for a little house in Sunbury. Marking out the sewer points now, all the stormwater's in. Back till most of it. And water's in. How you going, buddy? Good, mate. The power's dug in. Waiting for the sparky and should be good to go, eh? Isn't it? Ripping out the driveway. Sewer's done within the Stormies now. With Bravi Plumbing. There's Simon there, his sidekick. Got two more there. Stormies in the garage, and we're done, mate. That's Unit 3, boys. Unit 3 is going up.
Nice, mate.
Yes, Simon. And I'm digging Unit 4. dig Unit 4, and we've got one more over there, mate. Unit 5. And tomorrow, we're going to do Stormies, eh, Simon? Our day starts with a bit of a bang. Good morning. That's the main run there. We've got a couple of branches. Got 2 units there, and I've got 3 more units. I'm digging just heaps of rock. Chuck all rocks there for tomorrow, load them up tomorrow. Concrete's got his machine early. Boys are taking the measurements of the points. It's Unit 3. They'll mark out Unit 4 for me to dig, and got one more after that, Unit 5, 5 units here. And then hopefully stormwater tomorrow, inshallah.
6,600.
Plumbing today. Bravey Plumbing. We've dug the main out. And we've got stormwater right next to it. Power's in. And it's got the garage and the porch to crush rock. Doing a crush rock job today in Oak Park. Plumbing's all done, and Sparky's putting the power and all that, and the conduits and all that jazz, and we're going to backfill that. And we're going to hit it with the crush rock. Doing the side cut crush rock. Well, the side cut was done, but trim actually. We do need a little bit of a trim. We need to trim where our retaining walls. Leave that till after the slab. That should have been done before we got here. But we've got a section here. The house is on the boundary between those 2 H-beams. A few loads have gone out. We've got 2 loads of rock. A little bit of an edge beam there. We've got board piers here. Mate. Plumbing today. Fantastic day. And that's a saw there. Well, we found it. Simon's digging away. Did you find it, Simon?
Yeah, mate, you got it here.
It's there, it's right there, but there it is, yes.
Find the goal.
Yeah, there it is. That's the main saw, and then come in the morning for the plumbers, and got the Stormy there. Got the Stormy main run. And the boys are pouring next door. Yep. Hopefully we'll finish early today. We're in Mickleham, hopefully no massive rocks. Doing plumbing today, as you can see. Fucking obvious, isn't it?
Were you recording?
Yeah, well the grass is removed. We scraped the grass, did a bit of a cut and fill.
So we've done the cut and fill, as Izzy says.
Yeah.
We've marked out the holes.
Yep, as you can see.
And I think we're ready to go to start drilling into these holes.
Yeah, we reckon it's going to be an easy one.
No, it should be all right. Let's hope we don't come across some rock, because if we do, then it's going to be turned into slotted piers, and
yep,
that might take a lot of time. But
Urch is he's a renowned engineer as well.
Yeah, mate. Jack of all trades.
Yeah.
As they say.
Oh yeah. All right. Comment down below if you want to see my setup on the machine. You know, the excavator and all that. You know, the drills.
Yeah,
and
mate.
the
You've
hammer.
already comment down below.
Comment down below, mate. It helps.
That's what we're talking about.
Apparently, helps the channel. I don't know if it really does or not, but
It does.
reckon it does. Maybe we'll go live soon. We're in Greenbelt today, ladies and gentlemen, and we're doing a site scrape, followed by a side cut, followed by board piers.
tape on ya?
In the truck, right up the left door. There's a blue bag in there. Gonna be a scorcher today. Gonna be a scorcher badge. Are you gonna be cut down the garage? Yep. Oh yeah, mate. Look, it's gonna be a hot day, hot one. 100%.